Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to use replay and what is replay feature actually. So you just need to open the Picsart application, and the replay features is a feature that can record the step of your editing, but then this replay can be accessed by someone if only you allow them or allow the system share the step recording. So if you want to get someone's replay, you just need to take a look on this side. There will be a home section. Actually, you already in a replay sections here, or you can also use this one or this plus button. Then whenever you like slide it down, you will see a replay sections here too, and here it will be a trending replays. But I would to suggest you to visit your home here and just take a look on this line, because there will be give you a lot of options for your replays, and you just need to go click this trending replays if you want to have the most trending editing style on your phone. And whenever you got the idea or the edit style that you want to have for your picture, you just need to go click one of the replay that you haven't choose. So yeah, let's say I would like to do with this, and you just need to go click this choose my photo, and then you just need to add the picture from your library, and you just need to follow everything on the screen. Just go click next and go click next again, and you're done. You already got the easiest way to edit your picture. Whenever you're done, go click this download, and you will already got the newest style of your editing picture. So that is the way how to use replay and what is replay features on a Picsart actually. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next